Good afternoon, dear subscribers and guests. Marinade and glaze. Enhancing the meat's flavor involves two stages. First, a dry rub, and then a glaze. For the dry stage, the go-to is the so-called Montreal spice blend, which does a great job of masking the natural smell of pork. So what is it exactly? It's granulated onion, granulated garlic, chili, paprika, coriander, sea salt, and cracked black pepper. Add just a touch of vegetable oil so the blend rubs in more easily. Then thoroughly coat the ribs on all sides. Let them sit for half an hour. Meanwhile, prepare the glaze separately. And what's in that? It's honey, balsamic or wine vinegar, and brown sugar. All taken in equal parts. And don't forget to add mild mustard, half the amount of the other ingredients. Salt to taste. That's all there is to it. Enjoy your meal. That's it for today. Stay tuned for the next part as always.